find the maximum value of the expression. How can we find the maximum value of a? Let's take a closer look. Notice that the numerator, 30 is a constant. That means the value of a becomes larger when the denominator becomes smaller. So instead of focusing on the entire fraction, let's find the minimum value of the denominator. For x squared minus 12x plus 12. Looking at this expression, we can rewrite it using the perfect square identity. ab squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Let's complete the square. For x squared minus 12x plus 12 equals 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 plus 3 equals 2x minus 3 squared plus 3. Now the problem becomes much easier. Since the square of any real number is always non-negative, 2x3 squared is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, 2x3 superscript 2 plus 3 is always greater than or equal to 3, which means for x squared minus 12x plus 12 is always greater than or equal to 3, so the denominator can never be less than 3. Taking reciprocals on both sides, since all quantities are positive, we get multiplying both sides by 30 gives, so the maximum value of the expression is max equals 10. The equality occurs when 2 times 3 is equal to 0. And therefore, x equals 3 halves, so we can conclude that max equals 10 when x equals 3 halves. Memory tip: whenever you see a fraction with a constant numerator, remember this simple rule. To maximize the fraction, minimize the denominator. And when the denominator is a quadratic expression, try completing the square. Why? Because a squared term is always greater than or equal to 0, making it easy to find the minimum value of the denominator and, consequently, the maximum value of the fraction. That's a powerful technique that appears frequently in algebra and optimization problems.